Okay, my dear students, welcome back to Math Matters, and we are going to talk about on second session of, is it second session? Yes, second session of chapter 7b, and from it is from page 86. Oh my god, I said it correctly. So you can see the divisions over here, and this one is the correction, finding out the problem over here. What we are going to do, I'm going to do a few maths from here and there and a white 8. Okay, let's see. The first math we are going to talk about was green 4, which one was the top of the maths, all of the maths, and they are dividing 2 with 1.25. Okay, as you can see, already in the previous session I have told you that we need to remove, or we need to shift our decimal, or you can also say disappear our decimal from the divisor part. So if I want to shift my this decimal from 2 digit on right side, on the time definitely I do need multiply with 10 or 100. It is 100. Okay, this is why I have to multiply 100 with that one. If I multiply 100 with my divisor, definitely we have to multiply this one with also 100. So you know, I have already shown the answer over here. Decimal goes disappear. And now we are going to do what? We are going to do the simple division over here. In 200, 125 will go for one time. The answer will be, subtraction answer would be 75, and we need 10. This is why we gave decimal, putting 0, and 6 125 is 750. This is how we have done our maths. It's pretty simple. And after doing so many maths from the first session and this session, you'll understand, I hope that you'll understand, these maths are not that hard. Okay, now we are going to do white 6, and from white 6 I have chosen 3 and 6 number to do that math. You can see in the divisor we have to shift only one digit, so we are going to multiply with what? Definitely for one digit we have to multiply with 10. So do that. 10. If we are multiplying with 10, we need to multiply with both sides and put your brackets on, because we need it. Okay, we need it. Here you can see there's another thing I will tell you eventually. That one is, we need to also see that one also, our dividend also. Basically we already learn how to do maths with division with division integer with dividend. So this is not a problem. The main problem is having decimal on divisor part. Okay, this is why I was keep talking about this thing. But you can also do one thing. You can also make sure that both of the number can have the decimal disappear. Okay, we will talk it about more. Let's see. Let me finish that one also. That decimal will jump up and it will go vanish. See, now we are going to do that part pretty easily. I hope that you remember how to do the division. Huh? Okay. So, if you think like that, do I need to give you any, what should I say, division lesson on the time? Please let me know in the comment below, so that I can do that part for you again in a actual video by doing class 4 thing. So that's it. Okay, class 4, and the question is also 4. Again, this is simple. This is how simple it is. Okay, this one, for this one you can see that I have chosen 6 number only for what? Only for the dividend is having 2 digit decimal, and this one is having 1 digit decimal. If you want, you can do that one in a 2 way. Okay, you can vanish that one only vanish that one, or you can vanish both of them. Okay, which part I have already showed you, the vanishing the dividend part, divisor part. Now I want you to learn another thing. If you want to vanish both of them, then you have to choose the bigger number, bigger decimal digit. Okay, there are 2 digit and there is only 1 digit, so we can multiply with 2 digit for 2 digit. Okay, and it will be 100. And if you multiply to vanish this one, if you multiply 100 with that, definitely 2.6 will get multiplied with 100. Remember that part. You need to choose which part you are going to work on, and if you have chosen one part, then the other part will get the same thing. Okay, it doesn't mean that it can this one here is having 2 digits, so we'll multiply with 100. This one is having 1 digit, so we'll multiply with or 10. No, you need to choose your action, then you have to apply it. Your action was vanishing this one also, not only that one, this one also. So our action was multiplying with 100. If we are multiplying with 100, then that one also with the same thing goes with your action, and your answer will be 884 is dividing by. As you can see, I hopefully you remember that we are shifting our decimal 2 digits, so as we don't have anything over here, we need to fill it up with 0. Correct? Yes, I hope you remember that part, because it is easy. Okay, now doing that part, as you can see, there is 260, almost like if we go for round figure, that is almost like 250, and 250 can fit in 900 how many times? You can count 250. Maybe it is making you little bit confused, so let me know that if you need any more division thing or revision of division chapter after finishing that what should I say, syllabus, please, not before that. Okay, so 260 will multiply it with 3, the answer will be this one, and the 4 will get down, this one will 0, and this one. Now we need another 0, so we are going to put this one. Now we have to see that if we can divide our 1040 with 260, definitely the answer is 4, and done. This is your answer, 3.4. This part is easy for you, you know how to do that part. Okay, but this part I hopefully I can make you I could make you clear about that. Go for the next part. Let's see. There are more 2 maths from which one? Y6 actually. Y6. So let's do them. You can see there are 2 digit. We need to disappear this decimal which is having 2 digit in at the end of it. So we are going to multiply with 100. So 16 will also multiply with 100. Sorry for my handwriting, I'm a little bit rusty right now. And that is where the decimal will vanish. Okay, and here as we have multiplied 100, here also 100. Now you can see it is pretty easy, right? Three-digit target. So we will have like 150 with the 4 times 5, 6 times 150, and there will be 0, 1, and another 4 times. It is past lunch time actually. Don't forget to write down the answer. Okay, I'm not writing doesn't mean that you will not write. Okay, Uh, it's past lunchtime and 3:15 right now, and my mom is shouting, I have to go. But before that, I have two more maths to show you. You can see there are 3 digits, and I hopefully understand that, or I'm actually hoping that you will understand which number we are going to multiply for disappearing the decimal or shifting the decimal. For 3 digit we need to multiply with, tell me. I'm hearing you. You can tell me. Yes, it is 1000. Now let's see. This is the thing you have to do, and this is the rough of this one. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay. 120 can be divided with 96, so only one time as far as I know. So we'll go for only one time, 96. Let me finish this one, I will show you. So I have done that part. This is a pretty big division. I had to do it. Okay, you will understand, no problem if you don't understand. uh, I'm repeating the same thing again and again. We will do it, don't worry. See, this is the small thing, small maths and small rough, and our maths is done, and this is the answer. I'm not telling any more thing because I hope that you already understand, and there is only one maths left for this session, which one is white 8. And white 8, actually we can do white 8 the same maths for this one. White 8 exactly is like this one, so I am going to skip that white 8, and we are going to do on the next session, which one will be on chapter 7b, exercise part. I am going to just keep it little bit small so that you can understand. For now, take care and bye bye.